I am Rachel Blue. I'm with McAfee and Taft in our Tulsa office. We also have an Oklahoma City office, and I wanted to just say, one of the things that I think is so great about this firm is we have a women's initiative, and Jennifer Wheeler, who chairs our Women's Initiative Committee, is here with us today. And we got the idea for today coming home from Jennifer's house at an event that we'd all been to. And I thought this would be a nice thing to do. If you're lucky enough when you get out of law school to latch on to another woman or a man who is able to mentor you and kind of help you through your career, then you're lucky. But not everybody winds up with that opportunity. So we thought maybe today would be a little bit of mini mentoring. And Janet's right, there's no podium in here. We're not going to talk at you. We want to talk to you, we want to have conversations. So what you're going to find out from the women who are practitioners at your table is that there's not a right answer to most of these topics. We're not going to give you some magic bullet today. We're going to try to share from our experiences and our mistakes and maybe give you a little bit of advice and guidance. And we want you to feel really free to please ask whatever you want. We did it this way so that you could be in small groups and not feel like you're raising your hand in front of 100 of your classmates and asking something that you feel like is dumb. There's not a question that's too dumb. There's not a topic that's too dumb.
Really, overall, you need to learn how to balance your personal life, your work life, and also kind of take a step back and analyze your workplace, whether you work with all men or all women or kind of a mixture. That was basically what we did.
And to drink water so you don't
And to drink water. If you think you're about to cry, drink water because it'll make the tears go away, apparently.
Things, working around women staff members and then also being with men in the workplace, how that can be sometimes a delicate balance between that, and also then just juggling kind of your choices as a woman, being able to have a family but also be very professional and capable of handling the professional work life as well. So that's what we talk about.
A lot of the same things. Good planning for when to have children and your professional development. And also not to keep candy on your desk.
Discussed, but we talked about competition for different work projects and maybe status within the office. It's very important to make yourself available and thereby become indispensable in the process, and to remain humble and not above any particular task that they may ask you to do.
Work-life balance, but a lot about asserting yourself at the proper time to get maybe a niche where you want to be in your law practice, and not just sitting back and letting say you do this and just this. You know, if you see a project, speak up and say, I really like a part of that. And then asking for help when you need it to help you maintain that work-life balance. Like, maybe hire a housekeeper. Make sure maybe your kids are doing some laundry and your husband is maybe doing stuff that's going to enable you to do the things you want to do as well.
For others is that you don't have to become a man to become a successful woman in the legal profession, and I think that that's really important. Like, hold on to those little things that make you feel really good about being a woman.